What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we are covering the free for the month assets of this month of August. We have amazing ones this month, so let's go ahead and check them out. First of all, we have the ultimate ship package with more than 110 assets, and this will give you a lot of pirate themed models to use. For example, this awesome ship and boat that you can use to build your own Sea of Thieves. You will get a lot of bullets, a lot of pirate guns, a lot of even melons and ropes and everything pirate themed that you will need. The quality is insane, so definitely go ahead and check this one out. Next up, we have the Immersive template. This will give you a lot of blueprints and functionality to be able to interact with items in the world, like pick them up, like for example a keycard to open doors, or with IK, light up a torch, and so on. Definitely go ahead and get this one because it's going to be very handy. Next up, we have the Museum Environment Kit. This is crazy. This is a whole environment, also a whole museum that you can use in your games. If you're trying to build, I don't know, maybe a type of story driven where you're in a museum, you have to do something, this will be very handy. It will contain a lot of high quality assets. Definitely go ahead and give this one a go. Next up, we have the Venice fast building, and this will basically give you some blueprints that will procedurally generate these buildings. Now, the quality is not so great, as you can see. The models itself and textures a bit plain, but the cool thing here is the blueprints for the generative procedural buildings. I definitely go ahead and check this one out. And last but not least, we have the corals. This one blows my mind. The amount of assets in this asset pack is crazy, and the quality of them is unbelievable. So with this you can go ahead and fill in your empty oceans and bring them to life. So definitely go ahead and check this one too. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members for amazing benefits. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials, and now yes, with all said, bye bye.